Dual Blend Number 10 Malodor Counteractant produces superior control of offensive odors from locations where foul odors are a problem. This highly concentrated product, diluted exclusively through the NCL Dual Blend Chemical Management System, produces 83 gallons of solution per concentrated case. Proprietary MCA odor inhibitors immediately control obnoxious odors and replaces them with a beautiful, modern scent that will be appreciated by staff, visitors, and customers alike. This is the ideal solution in restrooms, offices, schools, industrial plants, hotels, retail stores, and most other facilities.